Hello dear learners, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today we will design this simple layout. Left side will be the logo and right side will be the menu with hover effect. You can see the hover and simple two column layout. Left side will be the image and right side will be the title, paragraph and simple button. So how to design this simple layout? So let's see. First of all, we have to create a folder, project folder, and inside of this folder now I want to take a HTML file index.html, and another folder will be the CSS folder. Inside of this CSS folder I want to take a CSS file style.css, and another one is image folder that I will put an image. The image is here. Now I want to cut it, copy it, and inside of this image folder I want to paste it. Okay, now I want to open it, text editor. I will use Visual Studio Code. Now open it. Click HTML file. Shift exclamation and enter. The full structure is ready for us. So first one I want to give a title, simple layout design. If we save it and I want to open it a browser, right click of mouse and we can see the open it default browser. If we click here, we can see the title is displaying here, simple layout design. Okay, now I want to design this header part. Left side will be the logo and right side will be the menu part. So how to design this? Now I want to write here a header tag, and inside of this header, left side will be the logo and right side will be the menu part. Okay, how to do that? First one, I want to take a container for center the layout. Okay, we can see the margin left and right side margin. So how to center the layout? We can take a container for center the part, and inside of this container we can write a nav part. Nav means there will be the logo and menu, and inside of this nav we'll take two part, that is logo and menu. So I want to give the division of logo, and inside of this logo I will take a anchor tag, brand logo, href, index.html. Okay, then inside of this nav tag I want to another division, that is menu part, and inside of this menu we can see the menu items. So for this we can take unordered list and anchor tag. If we enter, we can see the list item is this right here, and to first one home. Now to duplicate this step by step, so if we shift alter and down arrow key, we can see the duplicated. And now to rename it about services, sorry, blog, and last one is contact. If we save it and if we see the result, if we refresh it, we can see the what we have written in the text editor. We can see the logo and menu. So first one, I want to omit this now. So now I want to design this. So I want to design this part. So first one, we have to write a CSS file to design this one. I want to omit this margin and padding. Okay, so how to do that? Sorry, I want to first one, we have to link the CSS file. As well as the style file is inside of the CSS folder, so give the folder name. If we save it, and now we can install the part. So first one, I want to omit the margin and padding. So how to do that? Star mark and second bracket, margin will be 0 and padding will be 0 pixel. We can see box sizing, border box. If we save and refresh the browser, we can see margin and padding 0. Now I want to center this part and give the margin left side and right side. Okay, how to do that? We can do that with container. Okay, next width will be the 960 pixel and it will be the 96% and margin, sorry, only margin, top and bottom will be 0 pixel and left and right will be the auto. That's why the part will be the center. Okay, if we see, we can see the center. Something is wrong in this anchor tag, so the correction is where this is omitted angle bracket. Okay, if we save it, I can see this display. Okay, so now and to design this, left side will be the logo and right side will be the menu. Okay, how to do that? For doing, left side of the logo and right side with the menu part. So how to do that? We can go to CSS file, .nap. As well as inside of this nap tag, there are two parts. One part is logo and another part is menu. So and to division of these two parts, we can use display flex. If we save it, what will be the result? We can see side by side. Okay, now I want to display this menu part of the right side. Justify content space space between. If we save it and refresh the browser, we can see left side will be the logo and right side will be the menu. We can see left side is logo and right side is menu. Now I want to display this line by line. Okay, text ref, and align items center. For align item center, we can see the logo is center of this menu. Okay, now to omitted this bullet point. So how to do that? Menu UL, as well as the UL is inside of this menu class. So that's why I have written here dot menu and inside of UL. Okay, so to omit this bullet point, we can write here a code list style none. If we save it, and we can see the result is disappearing this bullet point. And now I want to these menu items side by side. So how to do that? I need to write here display flex. If we save it and refresh the browser, we can see the menu items side by side. Now I want to give a margin of li. Okay, home about and to give a margin. So we can give the margin dot menu ul and inside of ul li. Margin left, we can give the margin left 5 pixels. If we save it, we can see the margin is here. And I want to omit this underline border of the bottom. So how to do that? As well as the underline is for anchor tag. So I want to omit the border of anchor tag. Li and inside of li a text decoration none. For this, the underline or border will be the disappearing. We can see none. Now I'm to display block for setup. Display. That's why for displaying block, the margin and padding will be the right way. Okay, for anchor tag. If we give the margin, or sorry, padding, top and bottom will be 10 pixel and left and right will be 20 pixel. We can see the top and bottom 10 pixel and left and right will be 20 pixel. Now I want to give the hover effect. To do that, dot menu ULLIA hover background and border radius. First one we save it and what will be the result. Let's see. We can see the hover effect. Now into border radius of this hover effect. That's why we will design a as like it's a pill. Okay, so how to do that? Border radius. Right here, border radius. Sorry, border radius. Turn pixel. If we save it and what will be the result? We can see the radius is working here. You can see the hover effect is nice. Okay, now into active hover, such as we can see the active is here and then it's hover effect. Now to active this hover effect, so how to do that? For active hover effect, we can see the here we can menu, right a menu UL and LI dot active and to give a class active. Okay, class active class, and I want to active class and write active class and background will be this one and border radius will be 10. If we save it, I want to save it and this one also save it. If refresh the browser, sorry, this is the main, sorry, this is not working. So let's see how to fix the active hover. To fix this active hover, something wrong. The class will be not here. The class will be inside of anchor tag. So cut it and then to give the class inside of anchor tag. If we save it, we can see the result is displaying and everything is working perfectly. Now I want to design this logo part. So how to do that? Inside of logo class, the anchor tag is here. So how to design this logo part? And to design this logo part after nav part, okay, dot logo and a. So I want to design a anchor tag. First one to I want to omit the border of this logo. Text decoration. Sorry, text decoration none. If we save it, we can see the disappearing the border. Next, I want to give the font size. Font size will be 25 pixel. If we save it and we refresh it, we can see the logo is bigger than before. And next one, I want to design this border. 1 pixel solid salmon color. Okay, this one. If we save it, and what will be the result? We can see the border is here. Now to give the padding inside of this border. So how to padding this? Padding will be the 5 pixel for all sides. If we refresh, we can see the padding is here. If we design like on this, we can see the radius and this one also radius. So how to do that? For first one is this one. So this is the border top left, border top left. So how to radius this one? Little bit, okay. So we can border top left radius, okay, 5 pixels. If we save it, we can see the border is little bit, okay. So this is the we have to need a padding of this nav part. So how to do that? If we padding the nav part, padding will be top and bottom will be 5, 25, 20 pixel, and left and right will be 0 pixel. So if we save it, we can see the padding is here, top 20, bottom 20, and left and right will 0 pixel, okay. So now we can see the perfect displaying. This is the 5 pixel border radius of anchor tag. And now I want to border radius bottom border bottom left, okay, border bottom right, okay, sorry, border bottom right, border bottom right, radius 10 pixels. Sorry, and to 20 pixels. We can see the perfect display. So the header part is completed. Next one is And to design this left side and right side simple to column layout. How to do that? So for doing this, let's go to HTML file and now to close this one, and inside of after header part we'll take a division. We can take a section tag. Inside of section tag and to take a container for center the container. Inside of this container I will take a main div about section, and inside of about section I will take two column. Okay, left side will be the image and right side will be the heading, paragraph and simple button. So how to do that? We can take a two division with image img. If we enter this one, and inside of this img division we can take an image. For taking image, the tag will be img and source will be, as well as the image is inside of img folder. This is the image, so that's why first one give the folder name, then backslash, then img.jpg. Okay, if we save it, what will be the result? Simple layout. We can see the image is displaying here. Okay, next one is right side of this part. Okay, so how to do that? After image division, I need to take a class content, and inside of this content I want to take a heading 2, that is right here, web design and development. So inside of heading 2, right here, web design and development. If we save it, if we refresh the browser, we can see the web design and development is displaying here. Next one is I want to take a paragraph and to take a dummy text. So lorem ipsum. So how to do this dummy text? I want to show you again. P, write P, and inside of P tag, just write here lorem, and we can see the abbreviation is displaying here. And now if you enter the keyboard, we can see the full text is written here. And next one is I will take a button. To take a button, I want to give a anchor tag. Inside of an anchor tag, learn more, and to href. If we save it, and what will be the result? Simple layout. We can see the all things is displaying perfectly. Now I want to take this one side by side. Left side will be the image and right side will be this one, this part. Okay, so how to do that? To do that, left side will be the image and right side will be the this part. So go to CSS class, and to about section class will be the display flex. So if we write here a code dot about section, if we display flex, save it, and we can see the image and paragraph heading is side by side. And to wrap this one, flex wrap and justify content space between. For this justify content space between the image and paragraph content is give the margin of the center, or the image will be left and this content will be the right side. Okay, if we refresh this, sorry, now and to fix this one, how to do this? To do this, we can see the white of fixed white of image and fixed white of this about content. Okay, so we can see dot about section. Inside of about section, the image will be text spaces 40% of 100%. If we save it, nothing is working. Next one is inside of about section, the content will be 60%. Okay, about section dot content will be 60%. Text spaces 60%. If we save it and refresh, we can see the everything working perfectly. Now to take this center of this part. So to do this, align self. Okay, now into right here, align self, center. If we save it, we can see the center of this content itself. Next one is I need to give the margin of margin bottom. So dot content h2, inside of h2 margin bottom, ten pixel. If we save it, we can see the margin bottom is here, and inside of p tag I want to give the margin also bottom, and to copy this code and inside of margin bottom 10 pixel. If we save it, we can see the both heading and paragraph is margin here. Next I want to design this button. So to do this, content anchor tag And to omit the border bottom text decoration, none. We can see text border bottom is disappearing. And next one is display inline block. Okay, display inline block. And next one is background. Background will be salmon color. Okay, salmon color. We save it. You can see the salmon color, and I want to give the padding. Top and bottom will be 10 pixel and right and left will be 20 pixel. If we save it and refresh the browser, we can see the button is displaying perfectly. Color will be the white, and to get the color, okay, if we save it, we can see the color is white. And to border radius for shape the button, border radius 20 pixel. For all side border radius will be, we can see the border radius displaying perfectly. And to padding left and right will be 30 pixel. So here is 20, and to increase it 30 pixel. I can see the increases and it's showing perfectly. Now I want to hover the button. To do that, dot content, a hover, background will be RGB 216 112 and 103. If we save it, we can see the hover effect is working perfectly. We can give the transition for smoothly hover effect. If we write here transition 0.5s, if we save it, we can see the hover effect working perfectly. We can also give the transition here. So inside of, we can hover effect, here we can give the transition 0.5s. Save it. We can see the perfectly working the hover effect. So guys, the completed it's the displaying part, and nicely we have designed this simple layout. So thank you guys for carefully listening and learning something from this website. and how to design this simple lab. So if you like my video and want to show more videos, please subscribe my channel for getting new videos. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.